calendula butter balm, body balm butter, body butter balm, butter body. I'm gonna make some calendula lotion. There you go. So I have made my own infused calendula oil. Okay, so I took the calendula, I had soaked it in some alcohol. I was able to strain that out, and I was able to get this from that. I used grapeseed oil and calendula leaves, the flowers, right? So I have calendula oil. It's been sitting here on my counter, and now it is time to make some infused calendula butter balm, body balm butter, body butter balm, butter body. I'm gonna make some calendula lotion. There you go. So I have some friends of mine, one of my neighbors, she's a wonderful lady, and she is dealing with chemotherapy currently for her cancer. And so because of that, I know that she is going to have some issues with her skin being dry and some different things. And I know that in the past, when I have had friends that have dealt with cancer and chemotherapy, that some of the best things that you could do for them is have natural lotions. So I have this natural lotion that I'm gonna make, this calendula infused body lotion, body butter, whatever you want to call it. I put some on my skin just now that I had made, and it is nice and it's soothing, and it's a little bit oily, but it's okay because you're going to put it on your skin that's going to be super dry, and you want that to kind of just suck it all up. So not only for my neighbor, but I have a wonderful friend who has a beautiful friend who is really sick, and she is dealing with cancer currently as well, and dealing with chemotherapy. And because of that, I'm going to make enough for her to send some to her friend in, I can't remember where, Illinois, Kentucky, somewhere. So she's gonna send some to her friend, Nebraska, her friend in Nebraska, that's where. Anyway, we're gonna make some here, and we're gonna give it to some friends and make sure that we can be a blessing, because God has given us so many things that I wanna be a blessing to others. So I really need to clean up this kitchen. Anyway, come with me. Let's make some calendula body butter. Calendula body butter, boom, right there. Lotion, it's gonna be great. Let me show you how I'm doing it. But first, let's hear from our sponsor. All right, guys, let's be honest. We all feel like life can be overwhelming at times. We can get through our day and still feel like it's never ending. And honestly, that's where our sponsor, BetterHelp, really can come in handy. Let me explain. Our animals need us, our kids need us, our husbands or wives need us, our family needs us, our friends need us. Our chore list is literally a mile long. Sometimes we don't even feel like making dinner for ourselves because things can just feel overwhelming, stressful. You don't even want to do your favorite hobby anymore. Whatever it is, sometimes even hanging out with friends and family just doesn't feel like the best option. This is where BetterHelp will come in handy. See, BetterHelp's going to connect you with a licensed therapist who's trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. It's super easy. Here's how. First, you go to their site. You can use my link, BetterHelp.com/Bland's Ranch. You answer a few questions, and then BetterHelp is going to match you up with a professional who's had years of experience helping people with struggles just like yours and mine. You'll be matched to a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. You can do it all from your phone or a computer, via phone call, video chat, or even messaging. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable, it's literally the easiest possible way to start talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to someone, a therapist who can support you all from the comfort of your own home, or maybe from the comfort of your backyard. Visit BetterHelp.com/Bland's Ranch, or choose Bland's Promised Land Ranch during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And now, back to our video. Okay, so I just made one batch, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty amazing. So what I'm gonna do, and it is kind of, it's kind of oily. I mean, it's made with oils, right? Oils and butters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half a cup of this coconut oil right here. My coconut oil from Costco is completely liquid because I keep my house pretty warm, but this one isn't liquid. So we're gonna use this coconut oil, and we're going to put it in here, use a half a cup. We are going to use a half a cup of the mango butter that I have right here, and we are going to mix them, and we're going to blend them. So half a cup, half a cup. This is my shea butter, but I'm not using shea butter this time. I'm going to use mango and coconut, And then I'm gonna pour in slowly my infused calendula grapeseed oil. Okay, let's do this. This is my 1/4 cup measure. Yep, a 1/2 cup, okay. All right, here we go. Just blend them. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure out a 1/4 cup of my infused calendula oil. You're supposed to add a 1/2 cup, so it'll be 1/2 cup of all of it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in, mix this around, and then I'm gonna come back and add more. All right, I think that's good. It's really fluffy, and I love that, but it also needed to be something that we can use to put on our bodies. So let's go ahead and put this into a jar. I think I'm gonna put this into the refrigerator, see if it'll help set it up a little bit. So the first batch I used mango and Shea, no coconut, and it set up really well. But I kind of like the idea of not having to melt my butters. So there is my second batch. This is my first batch. See the difference? This is Shea and mango. This is coconut, oil, and mango. This one I can't pour. All right, so I'm going to put this into a bowl and try one more thing. Saw that I did the other one. I kind of like the first one I did, which I didn't show you how I did that one. I did that one kind of as a test. So I really like the combination of Shea and mango, then the infused calendula, grapeseed oil. So I did the coconut oil and the mango, which is what you saw. And now I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try some beef tallow. So beef tallow is really great to make tallow balm or tallow butter. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use equal portions. I think that I can interchange this with my coconut oil. So use this instead of coconut oil, then use mango butter, or maybe I'll do the Shea. So I'll do Shea, tallow, and then I'll use my grapeseed oil as my carrier oil. And I'm gonna try those ones, those three as a combo, and see what I get, see what the consistency is. And you know, it can't hurt to try something new. And that's gonna be a really great butter to try and use. It's a very healing balm. It'll be a nice healing lotion. So let's see what happens. So we'll make a smaller batch. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the tallow. So we're just gonna do smaller amounts, right? We can just pare it down a little bit. So we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the beef tallow. Go ahead and make sure when you do all this, you're washing your hands really thoroughly before you're putting your hands all over this. My hands are clean. We're going to mix all this up on my skin. All right, we're gonna start with the, what's it called, whipper? The whipping, what's it called? The whisk, there you go. We're gonna start with the whisk this time. Hold the bowl in place for me, would you? Yep. Hold it nice and still. that is a fluffy butter. Look at that. So in the end, I have one basic recipe that I used, and I followed that recipe and did 3 different samples, if you will. I've got the tallow mix, I've got the coconut oil shea butter, actually coconut oil mango butter mix, and then I think my favorite so far is the mango shea butter mixed with the grapeseed. They all have the grapeseed infused calendula oil that's grapeseed infused. They all have the grapeseed oil that's infused with calendula. The tallow butter, I will say, came out really nice. So I'm going to try all 3 different ones on my skin, see how it works. And I'm going to be gifting some of these to my friends. I hope you try this out. I hope that you add some of this calendula oil, infused calendula oil, or even anything that's medicinal, flowers, herbs. I hope that you start building your own apothecary, building your own medicinal pantry shelf, building your own way to take care of your skin through what nature has to offer. God has given us so many wonderful things, and calendula flowers is one beautiful plant that we can use in so many ways to heal our skin. So take this recipe, try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other better combos out there. I do like this way where you don't have to melt all the oils, because in the past I've melted the oils and then I wait too long, or I don't wait long enough when they get hard, and then it's just, there's a lot. And honestly, it's August, so it's hot in my house. So I was really happy that I didn't have to melt them down first and then wait for them to solidify in my refrigerator. And that's just a much longer process. So try this out. Let me know what you think. I think this is wonderful. And I'm going to keep this recipe for future use. It was quick and easy, and I was able to do 3 different combinations here. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, all the things. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I love to have conversations with you guys in the comment section. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.